the little leg.
Well, remember, the 55% of all communication is through the body language. Does that make sense? So we see it on a subconscious nature. Like women, they're much better at it than men. Like some of the body language is great. Do you notice how ladies, gentlemen, let me tell you something that women will never tell you. Hands up if you're a man and you've ever walked down the street with your woman and you've looked at another woman like this and your wife or girlfriend's just lost the plot when you've done that. Hands up. Okay. Let me tell you something that women will never tell you. A man's eyes is different from a female eyes. That's why a man can look at a refrigerator. Ladies, hands up if you've got a man and you've said to him, go and get the butter out of the fridge. He looks at the fridge and goes, where, honey, where? And you're going, on the middle shelf, just there, where? Can't see it, where? Now, ladies, hands up if you've got a guy like that who can't find stuff in the fridge. Yeah. Okay, here's why. A man's eye is designed different from a female's eye. It's a laser pointer. So a man's eye goes, beep, 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 and he can only actually see what's within the focal core of the eye. He can't see what's around the eye. So therefore, if you understand that, when a man goes to the refrigerator, he just beep, and if it's there, he won't see it. Beep, if it's there, he won't see it. Now, a woman's eye is different because she was meant to have kids, right? And she's got to know what the whole family does. Her eyes are like this, wom, wom, wom. So she goes in like big fly eyes, wom, 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 wom. Her eyes are designed different. That's why when a guy walks down the street and he sees a good-looking girl, he has to go, right? And all the women go, turn around! Don't you love me anymore? I don't have a... See, gentlemen, what you don't know is she's looked at every other guy naked without turning her head. She's gone, whoa, oh, he's cute, whoa. I can see him without his pants on, whoa. A female can strip every man naked in the street without having to move her head. Okay, just understand that.